Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and authentic boiling crab whole shabam seafood. I know that you are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and amazing boiling crab, the whole shabam seafood recipe, these are the ingredients. I have sausage, I have black pepper and salt, limes, corn, mini potatoes, I have crab, shrimp, and of course, the secret sauce, the whole shabam. This is everything you need to prepare this amazing and authentic boiling crab recipe. So let's get started. I am ready. I want to start here with the corn and the mini potatoes. Red potatoes and white potatoes. On the stove, I have a pan with boiling water. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of the mixture of the whole shabam sauce and spices. And to this, I'm going to add the corn and the mini potatoes. I am going to cook for about 20 minutes until the potato is al dente. And now I want to continue showing you the crab legs. I have some frozen cooked crab legs that I'm going to use for this recipe. I have the shrimp that has been deveined but has the skin. You could use the whole shrimp with the head, but I decided to use this kind of shrimp. This is what I had at home, and this is what I'm using. Of course, for this recipe, I'm using 4 pounds of seafood and 1 piece of sausage. Look at this. I am going to cut it with thickness, just like that. And I'm going to continue chopping away, and I'm going to add it into this plate. This is a very authentic and delicious recipe that I know you are going to love. Look at this. I have everything ready to make this amazing and delicious whole shabam seafood recipe. Let's go see how the mini potatoes and the corn is doing. When the mini potatoes are still al dente, I am ready to remove from the broth. Don't throw the broth away because we are going to use 2 cups of this delicious broth. I am going to remove all the mini potatoes, put them aside, and now I'm adding the secret sauce of the whole shabam. Of course, you guys have this amazing recipe on my channel. And now I'm adding 2 cups of that amazing broth where we cook the corn and the mini potatoes. I am going to incorporate it really good before I start adding my sausage first. I'm adding the sausage. I am going to cook it in medium heat until it comes to a boil. Once you could see the little bubbles in the center, now it's time to start adding the raw shrimp. just move it really good all the way to the bottom so the garlic doesn't stick to the pan. And now I'm ready to add my shrimp. Once you incorporate your shrimp with the amazing sauce, then you are going to add your crab legs. The crab legs are already cooked, so I'm just gonna heat them up with this amazing sauce. The crab legs are really going to absorb this delicious and amazing sauce flavor. Well, once you incorporate the shrimp really good into the sauce, combining it really good with the sausage, now I am ready to add the crab legs. Once you add your crab legs with a spoon, start covering them with the amazing sauce. All those little pieces of garlic really going to infuse the crab legs. And you know that the shrimp cooks very easily, so there is no need to just rush into this recipe. Once you add the shrimp, you're gonna cook it for about 15 more minutes, and then it is done. Once you see the center and it's boiling, it is ready to be removed. Look how amazing this looks. Of course, my kitchen smells delicious with so much garlic and spices. You could really smell this sauce from even outside of my home. Well, now I am ready to remove the crab legs and remove the rest of the ingredients. And here I'm going to add the crab legs. I'm going to add the potato and shrimp, and of course I am going to add all those amazing liquids. The sauce is going to fall right on top of the corn and the mini potato, that they're really going to get infused with all these flavors. I am sure that once you make this amazing and delicious seafood recipe, you are really going to love it. Well, here, add all that amazing sauce on top of it. And of course, like I always say, if you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I am sure that once you make this boiling crab recipe, you are really going to continue and enjoying it with your family. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing boiling crab whole shabam recipe. I hope you make it. This is an authentic recipe. Let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Amazing. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.